Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can find CapCut templates. Now these methods that I will show you will work on any device that you have CapCut on. So first method is through a browser. So go ahead and open one from your phone. Go to the search bar and just type CapCut Templates. Now let's click go. You can also add keywords to it to be more specific on what kind of template you're looking for, maybe like CapCut, templates, retro, and so on. As you can see here, CapCut has their own hashtag, so click on that first link. Now give it a few minutes to load. You've got a lot of different templates to check. All you have to do is scroll through this list. Now once you found a template you want to preview, just click on it and it will prompt this message. It's just asking you to open the CapCut app, so let's click open. Now here's a preview of that template, and if you like it, then just click use template. And then it will ask you to choose photos or videos to fill in that template, and then just click preview down below. And if you think you like what you're looking at, then just go ahead and click export and save the device. But if you don't like it, then you can click X and just say discard. Now the second method would be through your TikTok app. So go ahead and open your TikTok. Now you should see your TikTok feed. From here on your top right corner, click search. And then again, you can just type in CapCut templates. And you can add keywords to be more specific, and then just click search. Now you should see videos with CapCut templates, and just choose one that will work out for you. So go ahead and click on it. Now in this video and all the videos that you're able to use has CapCut try this template button. All you have to do is click on that one and then click use template in CapCut. So if you want to try this, then click use template. And then again, it will ask you to add photos or videos that you want to put in that template. Click preview. And if you like to use this, then just go ahead and export again and then click save. And that's it. That's how you're able to find CapCut templates.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.